Could changes to Salt Lake County courts put an extra burden on witnesses, victims, defendants, and police officers called to testify? Well, some government officials say yes. Now they're trying to put a stop to it. ABC4's Brittany Johnson joining us from the newsroom to explain tonight.
Well, Emily, in my hand is a letter signed by multiple government officials and delivered to two 3rd District judges at Matheson Courthouse. The purpose of this letter is to communicate a growing concern that moving to a random court case assignment model would be detrimental to Salt Lake County.
It puts us at a disadvantage.
Jen Oxborough, executive director of the Utah Domestic Violence Coalition, says the way cases are assigned to judges right now in Salt Lake County, based on geography, is in the best interest of a survivor.
I don't have to run around to a bunch of different courthouses. I don't have to drive a great distance to get there. I'm familiar with the setting where my case was opened, and I have connections and support teams there.
And changes announced by Utah court officials to assign the location of cases at random between the downtown Salt Lake City courthouse and the courthouse in West Jordan could make an already challenging process even more discouraging for survivors.
The more barriers we create for survivors, the harder it is for them to engage in a situation that's already really difficult.
Government officials ranging from prosecutors, police chiefs, public defenders, mayors, and city council members signed this letter asking Judge Corus and Judge Scott to reconsider.
This decision in a unilateral way has huge collateral consequences.
Simgill says the changes will also create an issue of access.
And it's easy to say, well, they can jump on tracks. But if you are a person who's a single parent, who is a victim of a crime, and you have to go from Rose Park, let's say, down to West Jordan, it's a half a day, full day thing.
There's a track station right across the street from West Jordan's courthouse. Right now, we're going to document how long it takes me to get to Matheson Courthouse in downtown Salt Lake City using public transportation. There are 12 stops total until we get to our destination in downtown Salt Lake City. So I'm getting off the train right now at the courthouse location, and I'm going to walk over to Matheson Courthouse right now. The time now is 5:47, so it took us about 40 minutes to get here to the courthouse in downtown Salt Lake City.
Look, I've been doing this long enough to know that when I have either a witness or a victim who is a single mom and she's trying to find coverage for her children, is being told to go to a different jurisdiction, and she doesn't have access to a car like you and I may, that is a hardship.
The district attorney says this also creates a burden for police officers, many of whom are subpoenaed weekly.
Do I want to put a burden on a local law enforcement agency which is already strapped for resources because they want to be able to come to court and be back and address public safety issues in their community?
Presiding Judge Mark Corus sent us a statement that reads in part, as judges, we have a responsibility to timely and justly resolve matters that are brought before us, whether those matters are criminal or civil. He goes on to say judges are unable to fulfill this responsibility when caseloads are too large. Now, he's specifically speaking about judges there in West Jordan having an overload of cases. From reporting live tonight in the newsroom, I'm Brittany Johnson, ABC4 News.